Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. If you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Okay, from this video I'm going to be continuing from where I stopped in the last video. In this particular in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how, remember I created this particular website and I named it Kingspet. So now I will show you how, for example, if you needed to change the name of your website along the line, how you could do that changes, and also how you can, I will show you how to insert your menus, how to create menus and insert them, both the one that is navigating to different section. I will be showing you all how to do this particular setup in this particular video. So I'm going to go straight to my dashboard now. This is my dashboard. So you're going to come to your, where you have settings, click on general. Once you click on general, it's going to open the dashboard for you. So now you are going to see where you have your site title. From here, this way you are going to change the name of the website. For example, I'm going to change this particular website to, let's say, a church website. Let me say floodgates. Let me say floodgates. Floodgates. Let me say international. Floodgate International Worship. Or let's leave it at floodgate. So to save it, let me say floodgates. Then let me say the tagline here. I can change it to something, anything I want. Let me say a place where everybody is somebody. So now this is what I'll be having. Then the address, I'll be leaving the address the way it is. So all this side I'll be leaving it just the way it is. So now after doing that, I'm going to click on save changes. So once I do and click on save changes, it's going to save my changes for me. So now by the time I come to this website and I refresh, you are going to see that this particular site is going to change to the new name I gave it. You can see it has changed to the floodgate, a place where. So now this is how you change this particular site of your website. So now I'm going to go back to this side. Now we'll be creating some, I told you we'll be creating our menus here, and I'll show you how to create the navigations. So now we are going to come to where we have on your pages. You are going to click on pages. So once you click on pages, this is where our menu for our pages. So now you can see from this page I already went ahead and created some pages here. So I'm going to show you how to create. I'm going to create some more, one or two more pages to add up with this one that we'll be using. So now I'm going to click on add new. Once you click on add new, it's going to open. Then from there you are going to start inserting the name of the page you want to be using. So for example, I'll be creating another one for, let me say, the about page. Okay, so we are going to, this is it, we enter about. Then once you enter the about, leave every settings the way it is. You are going to leave every settings the way it is. I will be showing you how to do the health setup for each and individual one as we proceed with the tutorial. So after that, you are going to ensure you publish the page. Okay, this is done. So now this is for the first one. I'm going to come again and add another page. So I will repeat the same process until I insert all the whole pages I want to my taste. So we'll be having donate. Then after that, I'm going to publish. I'll be going ahead to create so many other ones. So I might stop this video and come back when I'm done with the creating of the pages. Okay, I'm done with creating of my pages now. So I'm going to go to all pages so that you see all the whole pages I've added to my website now. So you can see I went ahead in creating so many other pages additional to the ones we're having. So now I'm going to be showing you how to insert these pages into our menu bar Yeah, I'm going to show you how to insert them into our menu bar here. I really don't want to make the video look too lengthy, so I'll be showing you how to do that in a short time now. So now I'm going to go to do that. We are going to come to back to our dashboard. Go to where we have our appearance, then you go to menu. You're going to go to menu. You click on it, then it's going to take you to a page like this. So now with this, now you can see, okay, let me refresh this page. Now if I should refresh it, you can see all those pages I created, none of them appears here. This is because I've not set it to actually appear on my website. So now I'm going to come here. What you're going to do, this is all the menus pages I created, of which I want to add to my menus. So now I'm going to first of all come to this place where you have menu structure. You are going to insert the name of a menu. You are going to give that menu a particular name. So let me say this is my menu. As you enter the name, then let me say, for example, I'm leaving it as menu, or let me say main menu. I'm going to leave it as main menu. Then you click on create menu. You have to create the menu. So now I'm creating the menu. So from this, now I'm going to link my menus to this particular main menu I created. So yeah, it has created that particular menu. So now have, from there, now you can now see that this place is now activated. Before it wasn't activated. So now I now have, you can see where you have delete menu now. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to come to this place. We have select all. You can actually, let's click on this view all. You can see, when you view all, now you see several of them. So I can just click on select all, then add to menu. After clicking select all, you click on add to menu. Once you click on add to menu, it's going to now transfer them from this page onto this particular section of our menu. So now you can now see it, all the pages we created are now being moved to this particular section of our menu. So now you are going to see, if you notice, you have two home link. This one is the one we created, while this one is the default one that came. So I can just click on this arrow down and click on remove. So it's going to remove that particular one. So I'm now left with the one I created. So what you are going to do now, if I should save this now, let's see something. If I should save this, so I've saved this menu now. So if I should refresh my page, you will notice that it's not still showing. Just watch what happens. You'll notice that the menu is not still showing. Our menus, we don't, it will, up to now has not yet showed to this our website. So now are we going to do so that this particular menus we added should appear on our website? You first of all, you scroll down where you see add automatically. Now you are going to see primary header, primary notification, header, secondary. So now I'm going to tick this primary. I'm going to tick this primary. I'm going to leave this. I won't tick this. Let's tick only the primary navigation. Then click on save again. So now let's go ahead and refresh our website now and see. Let's see how the result is going to look like. Wow, here is it. You can see this is our menus. They are actually here now. Our menus are actually appearing here, but you can see that it's looking scattered and it's not really the way we want it to be. So I'm going to show you how to arrange them up now so that it looks beautiful. So now we are going to see, we have, and you can see it's not arranged as you are saying about. So we are going to set it up. So now let's start with our home. Let the home be first. What you are going to just click on it and drag to the position where you want it to be. This is our home. Then under our home, we'll be having, after our home, we are going to be having about. Then on the about section, I'm going to be having like sub menus on it. So now I'm going to be showing you something now. Let's say about Pastor Chaffet. Now you can see that this about Pastor, if I click on it now and drag it to the right, you are going to see is shifted. It has adjusted from this. It's no longer on the same line with this one. What it means that this particular about Pastor Japheth is a sub menu under the about section. So now if I should drag our vision. Now if I should drag our vision to this place and position it the same way, this is also under about. Then our statement of faith, let me also drag it here. So now this is all still also under this particular about. So now let me try and do for some other ones. Let me say for the all, I think I missed, okay, I missed something out here. Now I missed something like an online store. I forgot to create a page on called online store where I'm going to add up this particular one, that's the Pastor Japheth books, and this in that particular sub menu, in that particular menu. So I'm going to go ahead and save this first of all. Then I'll go back and create that particular menu and show you how to add it up to this particular page. I actually left that particular menu so that I'll be showing you in case you are doing something and you want to now add that any page you created newly to your menu, how you can be able to do that. First of all, let's refresh our page and see how it's look. Our home page, let's see how it's going to look like. You can see how this one is looking, it's scattered. Now you can see it's now having some little shape. Those ones that were scattered down here is no longer there. So now you can see under our home, then you can see under about us, you now see those sub menus under them. So you can see how this is how you create your sub menus. So if I should navigate, you can see how they are. So now I'm going to go back to my page as I told you. Okay, before going there, let me show you something now. Let's say this our vision. Now let's say from here our statement was, if I should slant it like this again, you can see it. This, what it means is that this particular one is a sub menu under this, and this too. Under the about, we have only two sub menus. Under them, no longer three again, you have two sub menus. But this our faith statement is another sub menu under our vision. So let me save this and show you how it looks like now. So let's refresh our page so that you see. So now our page has been refreshed. So now you can now see, now when I come to about, I only have two sub menus. Then coming to our vision, I have another sub menu here. So that is how. So if you want to have any, if I should, maybe I needed another sub menu, I can still do another, maybe dragging another one to this place. So that's how you keep on creating sub menus. So I believe you might have learned how to create sub menus now. So I'm going to return this back. This one I need it to be still under here. So let me just save it. Then after saving it, we will now go and create the page I actually told you I left out. So we'll create it and come and add that particular page to these pages here, so that you see how to set it up. So now it's loading. So now let's go back to where we have pages and do add new. So once we click on add new, it's going to open a page where we are going to add our new page. So now we're going to insert our online store. Let's say online store is a new page. Then I'm going to publish that particular page. By the time I publish the page, okay, I will now come to all page. Once you click on all page, it's going to open up all the whole pages you've created as we did before. But now this time around, you can see we have our online store here. So now let's go to where we have our menus and see if the online store is in our. Let's refresh here and see, so that you see something now. You can see by the time I refresh, it's not going to have any changes. It will still remain like this. Our online store will not be here. So I'm going to be showing you how to add that to your menu. This is our online store. You can see, or if you check through these menus now, you are going to see that the online store is not there. What you are going to do now, you see this place, you have most recent. Now I'm going to click on this. You click on it, then you do add to menu. Now this time around, I'm not selecting all, I'm only clicking on the particular one I want. So you are going to click on the online store. I want to add this online store to my menu, so I select it and click on add to menu. Now here we go. If you check under here now, you're going to see our online store. So what you're going to do after here now is to, let's try and, okay, let's me now refresh this page again. Let's see, let me refresh this page. Let's see if our online store is actually appearing in this our website now. You can see our online store is not still appearing in our website. So now what you're going to do is going to come, if I should save it now, remember I added it here, I haven't saved. So now if I should click on save now, I'm good. Then after clicking on save, let's go back and refresh our website and see. When you refresh the website, you're going to see that this time around is going to appear among our menus here. You can see our online store appearing here. So now I'm going to now do the navigation of the online, for that of the online store. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, then come to, I'm going to drag it up a little. Then let's say we have our about, then we should have services. Let me say services. Then after services, let's have our blog. Then let's have our online store. Let's have our online store. Then Pastor Japheth's books as a submenu. Then sermon as a submenu on the under the online store. Then where we have our testimonies, let me say the testimonies, I will put it under, I'll leave it as a menu there. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to click on save. Once I click on save, let's see how it looks like. So now let's refresh our website and see, so that you see how it's going to look. You can see as at now, you can see how it looks like now. We have our home, we have our submenu here under the about, and we have services, no submenu, blog, no submenu. Under our online store, we have two submenus under our online stores. Then we have this, and this. So now this is how our website is, our menu is already. So now I'm going to drag, I need this to be last, so I'm going to adjust it this way, save, and you can actually cross it after saving. Refresh your website and see how it looks like. So now let's refresh and see. I actually changed the position of my testimony here. I brought it somewhere here, so let's see how it looks like now. You can see the testimony is here and everything has been adjusted. So now I believe I really don't want to make this video that lengthy. If not, I want to still go. I would have loved to still go ahead to show you how to change the bar, the color of this particular bar. So now you could actually try this on your own. First of all, I'll be leaving you here so that you could try this on your own. And in the next video, I'll be proceeding to show you how to customize your menu bar and set it up everything the way you want it. Perhaps you don't need this particular white color, you want to change it to your own taste, and I'll be showing you how to, you can see it's having some bullets here. I'll be showing you how to remove all these bullets in that particular in the next tutorial. If you're still watching this video and you have not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop in this particular tutorial. You can watch other my videos so that you get to learn more on this particular section of this tutorial. Until next time, bye for now.